Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for joining me on Make It Monday. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and anything you see in my videos you can purchase in my online store. Link, as always, is in the down bar below. And while you're here, I would really appreciate it if you would like, comment and subscribe too, to make sure that you don't miss anything from me. So today I have a guy's birthday card using the Perennial Birthday stamp set. This is going to be really, really simple, quite a quick one. I've got a card base in Bermuda Bay with a mat of basic black and a layer in Very Vanilla. I've got 3 ink pads in Crushed Curry, Pool Party and Bermuda Bay, and when I pull it out of the tub, because I've left it behind, I have got a Stampin' Right marker in basic black, because you know what I'm like and I keep forgetting everything. Right, now my Perennial Birthday stamp set is wood mount, because I ordered the wrong one and I keep meaning to order the clay mount version and I keep forgetting, so I'm just going to run with the wood for the time being. So all I need actually is one stamp for the, well, it's 2 stamps. We're going to have the big old happy birthday and this kind of dotty one. And this is kind of a take on one of the cards that is in the catalogue. It's a kind of case, I suppose, but not quite. And it is actually a case of a card that I did in the Perennial Birthday class too. So, I'm going to ink that happy birthday stamp up in Pool Party, and we're going to stamp it several times, like that. And I think actually I might do that again. So happy birthday off, like there. Oh, isn't that good? Oh, I like that. Right, while we've got that happy birthday out, we're going to take our Bermuda Bay and we're going to stamp it in Bermuda Bay. We're going to stamp it once, just like that. And then we're going to take our Crushed Curry and that dotty stamp, and we're going to just add, I think a trio is probably enough. Then we're going to spritz. So this, as you can see, this is a really quick card. You could jazz this up in loads of different ways. You could add ribbons or embellishments. I'm going to keep it really simple. We are going to spritz though. So the way we do this, we're going to take our Stampin' Right marker, we're going to take the brush end. There are 2 ends to a Stampin' Right marker. You have the fine tip end, which you can see with the thin line on the packaging, and the brush tip end, which you can see with the fat one. Now, I don't use this one for colouring in, because I don't know how well you can see it, but there's ink all over it, because this is all I do with this marker. We're going to insert the brush into the pen lid, not the plastic, just the brush, and we're going to just splatter. So we're going to like flick it, yeah? Just like that. And I've got dots going all over the place, so I've not got the dots I want yet. There we go. So really, really splattery, lush. Right, and then we just need to stick our card together. So really, really quick and simple card for Make It Monday this week. And that is because I've been doing kind of more complex cards, more complicated stuff. And I did a really lovely fancy fold card on Facebook Live yesterday, which is uploaded to this YouTube channel, so you'll be able to see that too. But I haven't made a guy's card for ages, and I thought, you know what, it's about time. So, but I wanted to keep it simple. A nice quick Make It Monday make for you on a Monday. And on the, I mean, for me, this is the first 5-day week I've had in about 3 weeks, so it's a busy one for me. So I'm going to just stick that onto there, like that, and that is our guy's birthday card. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, anything you've seen on my video you can purchase in my online store. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again on Friday for another fabulous make. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.